starting with some phthalo blue around here, just a nice streak of that. We're going with the purple next. I'm going to go a little bit of purple over here. Just a bit of purple. Just a stripe coming through there. Okay, let's go into the Prussian blue now. So this is Prussian blue. Really work that into the canvas. I'm going to brighten up the sky, so we're going to go with some white. Got some titanium white here. Nice bit of the white there. And we're going to lighten up the sky. So just a small amount on the brush. I'm going to lighten up the sky. Very, very little paint. And we're going to go start around here. Start brightening this up. Have some darker areas if you want to. So we'll just take another 1-inch brush. We'll just blend to begin with, and we'll see what we've got. I know I'm going to add some more white on. A fan brush here. Go into some real fresh white. I'm going to tap this in. Get the fan brush loaded up like that, and then we're going to create some little things here. So maybe we'll come sort of from here, this area, just dance in some little things. Just a little blend. Blend here. Just gently go over that again. I'm going to have some stars in this, so just a nice bit of liquid white there. I'm going to take that over here. Just knock this up here. So it's thin, just a bit thicker than liquid clear. So you add the two paints together. We want it sprayable, so we can flick it. I mean, so it's a slight blue. There you go. So it's quite nice and runny. It just holds on there, but enough just to shake that off there. Hopefully that'll be a good consistency to do some stars. So let's give it a go. I'm going to use my toothbrush here. Not mine, well it used to be mine. And I'll just flick a little bit onto the palette first. Just go gentle. We just want lots of little stars. Prussian blue there. Could actually probably just nick all these colours together here and just bring this in as a colour itself. So somewhere around here I'm going to have a wing there, and then we're going to make the head somewhere up here, so we can have the neck coming around here and onto the chin. So I'm just in the outline first. Gonna have all different kinds of things coming off here. Some phthalo blue. Make a colour. Might thin that down a little bit just to help. Onto these wings. Mix that sort of shading in. We need some light on his chin as well, on the edge of this mouth here. And then this top here, that's all quite sort of